So after downloading and launching the Opera Beta browser, not Opera Mini browser beta or Opera Mini, it doesn't have mini. This particular app does not have mini. It is Opera browser beta. I believe you get it. So enter the shakewin.opera.com website, not through the logo. So after entering the shakewin.opera.com, click on continue after it loads up. So you literally shake your phone or you simply tap. So here's what I got. This 4,000 naira voucher is so popular at the top right corner. So I have saved my password already, so I don't have to type it out. Click on password, then the next thing you see is what you already saved. Then you click on login. You see it's more faster that way. So this is where the trick comes in. What I get, or what I just got, which is the 4,000 naira cash voucher, has been added already, and I think right here, okay, this is it. So you can stop right times 8. It is, or it was 7 before. So here is the trick. Now click on your profile at the corner, and then you click log out. Now after logging out, you try and log in again like you were a new customer. Continue. Alright, then you repeat the process. Tap here to shake. If your device is even much faster than my own, I told you this 4,000 naira voucher is so popular from my own end. Actually, I don't know if it's same for everyone. So I have a password saved, which saves time for me. It brings up that saved password and I enter it immediately. Now you can see 2 shakes in 2 minutes. So it's just like 1 shake every minute, depending on how fast your device is. There was a time I could do 2 shakes in 1 minute. That was when the device wasn't giving me problems. So you just imagine what have been achieving. I mean, the pieces 15 in progress. That's weird. That's simply weird. But I believe with persistency, I should be able to unlock the remaining vouchers. Okay, and by the way, I've won only one yet. That's what I've been able to win, and hopefully I'm going to win more. And same with you also. So I advise you keep trying till you're able to win something.